Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and add the 2026 overlays for your videos in CapCut. So here I'm going to show you the CapCut library to find the perfect overlay, and this is how you are going to do it. I'm using CapCut on PC, so you don't need to add or find overlays outside CapCut. You can just use this effects on CapCut right here. You can just head to the video effects and search for 2026 as the keyword, and in here there will be lots of options, but for overlay I'm going to show you some of them. The first one is this 2026 glitch. This is how it will look like. And there's also this wiggly 2026. This is how it will look like. And this one, the New Year mistletoe. So just choose which one that you want. There's also this 2026 bush. I think I'm going to just use the wiggly one. So just click on the plus button, or you can also drag it to your clip. And this is how the effects will look like. Happy New Year 2026. You can just adjust the speed to how you like it. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can add the Happy New Year or 2026 overlay to your videos in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.